Come on, big guy, let's go.
Oh yeah.
Sprint.
Go, go, go. Oh yeah.
That's a lot of movement right there. That's a lot of movement right there for a goddamn 6'3", 389 pounds of movement right there. Yeah. That's tight work. Starting to look dangerous. When you can move that size and that weight that fast, then you're a danger.
Right.
Yeah, you can't move that shit. You're not a threat to nobody when you can't move that. When you can move that, it's scary. Footwork. Oh yeah. So you do it from behind that thing?
Yeah.
That's dope. Who gave you this one?
This is one that I looked up and found on the internet.
Okay.
It was what's his name was doing it?
Brandon?
Nah, Justin Jefferson was doing it. Nah, then Brandon was doing it.
I'm gonna go to the right.
Alright.
Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Oh. Don't push back. Don't push back. Conscience under pressure. Conscience under pressure. Huh? Conscience under pressure. You can shake it anyway. Well, you can shake it anyway. Oh. Well, you can shake it anyway. Oh.
All right, what we got going on?
We're gonna start off with the basics on the ladder.
Uh-huh.
We're just gonna do the icky shuffle or the shuffle jib. So that'd be like that all the way through.
I already know the. Damn, you can do them too?
Huh? I get
You
them on
can
the
do them
ladder.
too?
We get the agility right.
Them shoes are suffering.
I know, bro. He has no cleats on the bottom though. He needs new cleats.
You should. Jesus Christ.
Show him the bottom, bro.
Is there a reason why you wear those?
Huh? No, I gotta get new ones. Those are basketball shoes. I'm waiting for
What, for what?
the ones that I have to come back in store. The Nike ones.
Bro, you got training shoes.
Alright, that's what we gotta do next.
Cozy, when you take off, Cozy, when you take off from the ladder, I want you to sprint each time as hard as you can to where you see that dirt patch. That's where you brake. Because when you take off from the ladder, you take off for 2 steps fast, and then you just break down.
Okay.
Go on. Boy got small quick. There you go. Looking good, man. Looking like you might be worth that room and board.
Yeah.
That's exactly what they're about to say. Because that's exactly what you exchange it for.
Yeah. I get saucy with it, you know what I'm saying?
You get saucy with it.
I've been training, you know what I'm saying? I get saucy. Oh yeah, you got that.
Yeah. The hell?
I don't even know what that was, bro.
Run that again.
Well, have I never seen that?
Huh?
What does that work? I've never. Oh, the first Duke step? Yeah.
Come on, Kosi, go through. I know you're breathing hard, but gather yourself.
Do that?
Huh?
Do that?
No, just
Okay,
go
okay.
through whatever you're gonna do. But
Alright. I'll do it again.
agility, but I'm looking for your stamina to increase too.
Right.
You can't be out here big and just getting tired every minute just because.
Right. You?
Okay. I can hear, I could listen to the rhythm and hear when it's not done right, or hear when if you mess up somewhere, because it sounds like.
Yeah. It's your brain's trying to keep up with that same rhythm.
Yeah.
It's hard. Like right here, man. Messed up the adjustable. Was it me?
You gotta practice your breathing, man, and your breathing techniques. You'll be forgetting it too easy. It's in through your nose, out through your mouth, right?
Yep.
Pulling hard through your nose. It's oxygenated air that goes through your nose. That's how your body works. You gotta think of your body like a machine. Oxygenated air goes. If you're pulling in air through your mouth, it's not oxygenated air. Oxygenated air coming through your nose. Deoxygenated air goes out through your mouth. So you're pulling in up top, and you're letting out down here. When you let out down here, that's what's already in there. That's the gases that are going out, and you're pulling in fresh air.
Right.
So if you're not recycling it properly, that's why you end up getting tired. So you have to get your mind to of course, when you get tired, you're gonna be like sometimes you might even get super tired till you're like but that's what you want to get to.
Right. My body collects it fast.
Huh?
Like my body gets back to that normal fast.
See, yeah. That's what Kosi got to, and Kosi you do stuff like this. Well, if this is your airway, what are you doing here? Yeah. You're blocking off your airway.
Right.
You got to keep your chin up at all times.
Right.
Right. That's another way. Keep your chin up and breathe through your nose, in through your nose, out through your mouth. Footwork. Oh yeah. I don't know what's up with my batteries, bro.
They're old.
This was a full battery.
They're old.
That's what it is?
Probably.
This is a full battery just now. We're already at the end.
Because they're old.
Breathing.
You want me to do it? No. Okay. This one you do it with the ball in your hand. Oh, okay.
Okay. You're gonna be somebody. You're gonna be good on somebody's team, providing you don't get hit and get scared.
I don't get scared.
Jay used to be so scared of getting hit, boy. No, that's a lie. That was Kosi.
I was gonna say I was never scared of getting hit.
Yeah. That was Kosi. Kosi used to be like, oh, remember? I'm fucking say, oh. I said, your big ass crying like that. Oh, you big soft motherfucker, you crying like that. Yeah, pick your legs up.
Don't click your heels. All the way, all the way.
You gotta run that again. This will definitely help you because I see what's happening.
Huh?
I said this will definitely help you. Go. Don't think about it too much. Go.
Don't click your heels. Don't cross.
Good job.
That cone just lost his life.
He
right there.
murdered that cone. He massacred the fucking cone. Bruh, the cone is obsolete.
When you hit the cone, give yourself a punishment.
Did it survive?
It's all right.
It's all right. You all right, cone?
It's cozy rated. When you hit it, give yourself a punishment. Make yourself do like burpees or something. The goal is to not hit the cone.
All the way.
We're gonna give it one more of that.
Go give me that Maserati money.
Please.
Maseratis are actually cheap now, bro.
Yeah, I ain't talking about that regular Maserati. I seen Kodak Black got a new Maserati. That ain't no regular Maserati. You have middle class Maserati. You have top of the line Maserati. You have middle class Mercedes Benz. You have the hood nigga Mercedes Benz. And then you have the middle class people getting some money Mercedes Benz. And then you have, do you really have money Mercedes Benz?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? There's different levels to it. I ain't talking about one of the low class ones. Yeah.
There you go. Slide, go.
Being military minded helps without being in the military. You need it. What you should say is some motherfuckers don't need to go to the military to be military minded. Because you do need military mindset in order to survive and in order to make it to a higher level of anything. You're going to need a military mindset. Just that some of us have to go to the military to get it. Not everybody have to go to the military to get it. Some people get it somewhere else. All right, what are we doing?
All right, so this drill.
We.
No, you're doing it.
We
are
family. We.
You can do a kickstep instead of
You starting to speak French.
We.
So it's gonna go open, go, chop, go, come back, chop, go, come back, chop, and sprint.
The fuck you just said, boy?
It's collected. I've done it enough times.
Okay.
To remember.
The only way I would remember that, you'd have to tell me what to do after every chop, chop, chop salsa move that I was about to do.
You just.
Because I wouldn't remember none of that shit.
We do this on the field. Like
I wouldn't remember any of it.
Military minded.
Let's see. Okay. I like that. Now check it. Let's add throwing the ball and catching the ball in that.
Okay.
In that mix. All right. So I want you center on him.
Huh? Oh.
Yeah, so I want you about right here.
Okay.
You're gonna throw from right here.
All right.
And
Where do you want me to throw it at?
at any given time, you can throw it to him.
Okay.
Sometimes you throw it when he's hitting the back, one of the back ones. Sometimes you'll throw it when he's hitting the center one. Or sometimes you'll throw it when he is like here about to go off.
Okay.
But you just gotta also remember that wherever you catch it at, you still keep going. So you catch it in the middle of your routine, it's not time for you to run that way. I just want to see you catch it and still remember what it is you have to do before you go that way.
Okay.
That's like catching the ball. It's not a straight shot to the touchdown, right? You're gonna have to juke some motherfuckers and break some tackles and whatever. So that's what I'm trying to put in it. All right.
I'll just say ball.
When you say it, I'll just be ready. I'll just stay ready for the ball.
Gangsta. You're gonna miss every fucking ball.
Go.
It's okay. It's okay.
Go again.
Quarterback threw the ball like he didn't mean his wide receiver no good.
Ready? Go.
Let me throw the ball.
No, hold on. I got it. Trust.
Cause how all of a sudden you can't throw good?
Just listen, bro. It's not. It's the air.
It's the air.
Do you taste the air?
No, I don't.
The air
There's
is bringing
no
the ball
movement.
down.
Yeah, I was.
Look at this. Look at
trees.
this. Look at this. Look how still they are.
No, look.
It's crazy that in December we could jump in the pool.
Yeah.
Florida.
Yeah, I don't see no fucking movement.
That's what I'm saying. There's no air, but
I barely feel. But that's fucker you talking though. Throw the ball properly.
straight humidity out
I
here.
got you. Ready?
Let's go.
Set. Go.
Yeah.
Finish.
That was a hustle. Now, when you caught that ball just now, were you protecting that ball?
Yeah.
From the moment you caught it? No.
He tucked it immediately.
Immediately?
Yeah.
I missed that. I have to go back and watch the video. You know it's not bright out here, so I can't really see nothing on the tape.
Yeah.
Now hold on, cuz. Where's your breath?
I could see it.
Not skipping. No.
Go. Shuffle. Go. Go.
Get back. Shuffle. Go. Full speed. Yeah. You remembered.
That's nice right there. That's impressive, man. Hear what though? You see what you got coming up? You see what you just did? I hate to tell it to you, right? But when you get to the motherfuckers in the college level, the big guys like you, I see them on tape. They make you run that shit like 10 times, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why I'm trying to tell you that do it, push yourself here. So
When you get there.
so you already used to it.
Right.
If they let you do it 5 times, you're already used to doing it 10 times.
Right.
You know what I'm saying? If they let you do it 10 times, fuck it, I've done it 15 times in a row before, so I should be good, kind of thing. Don't go up there and be the person who you do it twice and it looked good one of the times. Now they want you to do it 10 times and you can't.
Right.
Right. So when you start feeling tired, you suck it up and go back to the thing and run it one more time while you're tired. Because that's exactly what they're going to have you doing.
Give me 3 since I gave you 3.
So you got to start talking to yourself. Remember your breathing. Push through. Harder. All that.
Yeah.
It's all in your mind, man.
Go. Go. Go.
Come back to that cone.
Go.
There you go. Come on.
That boy had nothing left after that cone.
Huh?
You had nothing left after that cone.
The guy across from you, he's not a starter, bro. You're a starter. You play every play. He came in, he's fresh. Stay fresh. Come on.
Yeah. You gonna have to. That's what's gonna happen. And my biggest fear for you is that you go die on somebody's football field.
Right.
Because them motherfuckers are gonna push you, and you're gonna be surrounded by guys who are gonna be like, man, I don't know, coach. I don't know. I don't know if he's gonna be a good fit for us. That motherfucker, he always tired and shit.
I just did it. Why ain't he doing it?
Yeah. How you got here? How he here? Put Johnson in. Johnson way better than him. That's what you're gonna be up against. This is not high school now no more.
Right.
Yeah. This is that next level now where people are realizing like there's only one more step left to that ultimate dream come through. You know what I'm saying? So they're going extra hard in the paint for that shit. And you talk about college coaches, they always want to win championships. It just brings a whole lot of money and shit to their institution.
Right.
And prestige. So that's where it's gonna be. You're gonna have to push yourself all the time. All right, I'm gonna need you to run that one more time, bro.
I should do.
Dig deep, breathe. Remember, deep breaths in through your nose. Suck all the air in through your nose. Suck the whole world in. Okay, sexy Dexy. You're doing all that adjustment.
That's my dance move.
That's your dance move?
Huh? You prepared? Yeah. All right, get down. Ready, go. 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 Come back. Go. Full speed. Don't stop. There you go.
Good job. Good job.
Nice.
I like that. I like that. See, when I see you move like that, and I tell people, this is a 389-pound, 6 foot 3 inches tall motherfucker that move like that, that's impressive.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Motherfuckers that's 300, 350, 360, 370, you're almost 400 fucking pounds, bro. And if you're able to carry it like that, then that's where it's at.
Right.
All right, like we say, if you move slow, you're not a threat, no matter how big you are. If a truck is coming at you really slow, but it's super big, you're not fucking scared. You have all the time in the world to get out the way.
Huh?
If a truck is coming at you really fast, you're scared as shit, because it's big.
I forgot how to show this. So start in the middle, shuffle to the right, and then sprint to the left. Okay, so it's shuffle, plant, sprint. Oh no, shuffle. It's shuffle, sprint. I'm gonna shuffle this way, touch. Shuffle this way, touch, then sprint through.
All right, good.
Ready, go.
Intense. There you go. Intense. Come on, Costa, let's go. What you waiting on? Invitation? You already got the ticket. I got a boo-boo.
Ready, go. Shuffle, don't run, shuffle.
Intense.
Go.
Intense. Pick your feet up. Why you stop right there, Kosi? I got a problem with you with this. You see that last cone?
Yeah.
I want to see you sprinting. You should end up somewhere down where Jaden ended up down there. At least, sprint at least till you get to this blue thing right here. Here. That means you're going to have to push. Got it? All right. Good, I didn't turn the camera on until you were done. I tried to and the shit took a picture.
Ready?
You thinking about it too much, man. Hold your head up too.
Breathe. Go. Shuffle, you're running.
Stop.
Get there, get there, get there.
Shuffle.
Sprint, sprint.
And you're out of breath. I know Jaden has like crazy stamina. I've seen this motherfucker run like a gazelle for like an hour straight, which I remember when I used to do that back when I was like 19. It's like 40 years ago. Come on, Kosi. Hands above your head. Don't be afraid to do the proper routines, okay? Don't think it don't look cool to hold your head up.
No, that's harder for me. That makes it hard for me to breathe.
For what?
I don't know.
So that's what you're telling yourself?
No, it is.
To do what?
This is harder to breathe than how I usually do it.
It's not.
It is.
Scientifically proven that it's not.
I catch my
It's
breath
just not what
quicker.
your body's used to.
Scientifically proven that it's not. And that's where your problem's gonna be. Because what?
It's just what your body's used to.
Exactly. So anytime you practice doing the wrong shit for too long, you start thinking everything feels better when I'm doing it wrong. Now when you have to learn the proper way, it's gonna feel like, I'm not comfortable with this. I like the other way better, but the other way is a fucking wrong way.
Yeah.
Right. So I don't want to hear about my body, nothing. Scientifically proven that if you hold your hands above your head, you open up your diaphragm, and then you start to breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Your diaphragm spread wide out. If you're doing like this, you're actually crunching in all your fucking internal organs. There's no way that that can be scientifically better. You're just used to doing it the wrong way. All right. Let's go. Go. Nice.
Well, you can shake it anyway. Push back, don't push back.
Did you go?
Don't push back.
Or you up on the phone now?
Don't push back. That's the limit. Don't push back. Don't. No, that's the limit. Don't push back. Don't. No, that's the limit. Don't push back. Don't. Oh, that's the limit. Don't push back. Don't. Yeah, that's the limit. Don't push back. Don't. Oh, that's the limit.
It was already late when y'all were
back.
cooking. So you feel the picture that went on your phone and then left one time you got up and left this morning. You're out here running on 4 or 5 hours of sleep.
You can shake it anyway.
Nobody gonna have no time for all that.
Oh,
You gotta, okay, so this is, remember when I